When you look at the risk mood in the markets, it was terrible, then it got better, then it was terrible again, now it's a little bit better. How do markets price in geopolitics? Are they pricing it wrong in general? Are they too optimistic because of central bank actions?
I think overall the pricing of the political risks is probably too low. There is obviously a correlation with the overall interest rates in the market, which has, globally speaking, pull down the price of risk. Talking about the geopolitical risk, and we had perfect examples in the past few days, the issue, of course, is that most of those events come either totally unexpected or have a much higher impact or a much lower impact than anticipated. So it's pretty difficult to have precise predictions. But overall, I would say that the pricing of political risk today in the market is too low.
Is too low because of central bank action or because they don't know how to price it?
Well, I think the market knows how to price it because political risk is not something new in the market, especially here in the London market. Political risk has been around for decades, so the market knows how to price it. The issue, of course, is that there is still some overcapacity in the market, and also with risk, it's a matter of supply and demand in terms of capacity, how the price evolves. But I am convinced that the price of political risk will rise in 2020.
Toby, do you agree with that? And do you think actually the market is mispricing geopolitical risk?
I think what we tend to see with these sort of events is that the market, there tends to be something of a knee-jerk reaction in the short term, and you know, potentially you do see something of an overreaction very short term to these events, and that, you know, that you tend to only see that in hindsight. I would totally agree that, you know, I think in general the market is sort of underpricing risk, and I think that is because of central bank policy. I think with rates so low, and you know, we saw last year the sort of the disconnect with political uncertainty indices and with volatility measured by the VIX, and that is driven primarily by central bank policy.